we depart from the surface of the Earth, leaving behind the bustle and familiarity. We ascend slowly, passing through layer after layer of atmosphere. First the troposphere, then the stratosphere, and the mesosphere. Everything we know fades beneath us, and the curvature of the planet reveals itself majestically. The oceans and continents appear like brushstrokes on a blue canvas, covered with clouds that float softly like cotton. A new silence envelops us, and the Earth soon becomes a distant, shining sphere. Looking back, the moon appears, silent and constant, witness to our first steps outside home. We orbit it, admiring its craters and dry seas, remembering the human footprints we left. However, this is only the beginning. We leave the moon behind and head toward the heart of the solar system, toward the sun, source of all life and energy, and continue our journey without looking back. As we move toward the sun, space becomes increasingly dark and silent, interrupted only by the golden glow emitted by our star. The planets parade in the distance, each with its own story and mystery. The heat and light of the sun envelop us, reminding us of its vital role in the emergence of life. We approach the heart of the solar system, marveling at its immensity and its inexhaustible power. As we move away from the sun, its rays become dimmer, and the cold of deep space surrounds us. The inner planets fall behind, and soon we find ourselves passing gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, admiring their rings and eternal storms. Beyond, Uranus and Neptune emerge as distant blue spheres, guardians of the edge of the solar system. The silence is absolute, and the darkness becomes almost total, inviting us to explore the mysteries of the infinite universe. Beyond Neptune, we venture into the mysterious region of the Kuiper Belt, where countless icy bodies and comets orbit in the shadows. Here, the sunlight is barely a distant point, and space stretches out in an almost unimaginable vastness. Among these objects, Pluto stands out, small and solitary, reminding us of how diverse our solar system is. The journey continues toward the heliosphere, the boundary where the sun's influence ends and true interstellar space begins. Beyond the heliosphere, we venture into interstellar space, an unknown and silent realm where the light of our sun is barely a distant whisper. Here, particles and radiation from other stars intertwine in a cosmic ocean that stretches as far as the imagination can reach. Each point of light in the distance represents a new solar system, possible worlds to discover, reminding us how small we are in the vastness of the universe. In this interstellar abyss, the silence is absolute, and the darkness extends endlessly. Here, matter disperses into faint clouds of gas and dust, remnants of ancient stellar explosions. In the distance, weak points of light shine, distant stars, some with planets orbiting around them, perhaps carriers of life. Each of these suns represents a story yet to be discovered, reminding us how small our home is in the immense cosmic ocean. As we venture further into interstellar space, the Milky Way unfolds before us like a river of light winding through the darkness. Each bright point is a star, many of them with their own planets and perhaps stories yet to be discovered. We move away from the familiarity of the solar system and immerse ourselves in the wonder of the galaxy, feeling awe and humility before the vastness that surrounds us. If you've enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating explorations. Your comments help us learn what inspires you most, and sharing this adventure with friends lets others experience the wonder of our universe. Join our community as we continue to unravel the mysteries of space, one story at a time. Stay curious, stay connected, and together, let's keep reaching for the stars.